So now we just have to start assembling all the pieces together. The throttle body was also full of gunk, and it was so ugly and messy, full of oil and water. But now I already put also a brand new gasket right here, and it's just one way in. There's no way to make a mistake on this. Throttle body goes next, like so. Actually, not like that, like this. I get confused because I'm working with the there you go, I'm looking at the camera. And then of course you get the bolts. All of them are number 10 socket, so it's very easy, right? And the washers, these actually nut washers, nuts. And then you just start closing it. I could use the power tool, but on this one I'd rather to go by hand because this is plastic and you don't want to mess up the threads. Okay, so there you have it. Then I can go ahead and use the wrench to start tying it little by little, not all the way. We will do a couple of runs. There you go. And then we put the O-ring gasket for the EGR pipe. Okay. And then from there we have this sensor that goes right here. But we need to replace also the O-ring of this little tiny piece. Don't try to put it back on with the old gasket because you'll have problems. So here's the new one. And then just put it right in. Perfect. And then this goes right in here. And then the same thing. We'll do it all by hand. And this is just tightened by hand, not completely because we're gonna. Okay. Now that we have that, then I'll go ahead and put this pipe that has also been cleaned up, very nice and clean. Again, these little brushes, highly recommended that you buy with some of them, okay, because these are flexible. This bend very easy, so you have good access for cleaning all your stuff. And this is for the PVC bulb. It goes right here. There you go. And then this is easy. You don't require pliers. You can do it by hand. Right there. See, that's a clamp right there. And then, of course, the big one is, this one here. This piece goes right in there. Again, this also being cleaned very nicely. Look at it, it's nice and shiny. It's super clear.